Recently, I discovered a tool that will automatically edit my videos. Now, this has kind of blown my mind. I've loved using this tool and it's kind of changed the way I do videos now. This tool is absolutely free, so I'm going to show you how to use it in just a bit. I'm also going to show you another tool that is not free, just so you can kind of compare and contrast, and then you can decide what is best for you. Before I show you how these tools work, I need some sample footage, so bear with me as I'm going to talk really slow to show you how this tool works. Okay, I am intentionally breaking up my speech so that you can see how this tool works. It finds all of the dead space in my video and cuts it out. Okay, I am intentionally breaking up my speech so that you can see how this tool works. It finds all of the dead space in my video and cuts it out. So the program's called autoeditor, and I come down here, I go copy this path, and then I'm just going to type in autoeditor. I'm going to paste the path, and then that's it, I'm done. So now I come into DaVinci Resolve, I import this timeline. See, I click on that, press OK. You can see the timeline has cut out all of the areas where I am not speaking. That's really awesome. The next program I want to show you is called Recut. Now, this is a paid app, but it works also very well. So drop a file to edit. So we will do the Recut sample, drop it here, and then here it does something similar. Now this is nice because it visually shows you what it will keep in here and what it will leave out here. And then all we have to do is export. I am using the trial, so I only have 3 exports left, but let's go ahead and export and do Recut sample, sure. So now we have that there. Let's open up DaVinci Resolve. Let's import another timeline. Let's do cut sample and press OK. And it does more or less the same thing. As you can see with Auto Editor, it literally took me just a few seconds to have the program edit out all the dead space in my clip. And the program Recut was super easy as well. It did take a little bit longer, but it also gives you some more options and tweaks that you can do to edit it for your liking. So you can see the final versions are very similar. The results from Recut, I think, was a little bit longer, but again, you can edit and tweak the settings, so I could essentially get these to be exactly the same. As cool as both of these programs are, there are a couple of drawbacks, and let me show you that while I show you their websites. So this is the website for Auto Editor, and again, this is completely free, but the drawback is this is a command line program. Now in the video you saw I did it really fast and it looked like I opened up a program, but what I ended up doing was I actually wrote my own script that would kind of streamline all of this. I have all this up on GitHub. If you look in the video description below, I will share the link for this so you can see if this is something you want to do or not. This is kind of nerdy, but this code allows me to tweak everything really fast and easy. I'm really impressed with Auto Editor. It's a great program. It's 100% absolutely free, really nice. Recut is more user friendly. It's got a GUI. It's really easy to use, but this does cost money. It's really inexpensive though. It's $100 for a lifetime license. This is a really good price. I'll actually see if I can get you a link to make it a little bit cheaper, if that's possible. Anyway, I mean, that's a pretty good deal right now. I hope this video was helpful to you. Discovering Auto Editor has really kind of changed the way I do my videos. I can streamline things so much faster now, really save time on all my video edits. Recut is really cool as well. You should check them both out for free. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.